Hello everyone, TechAid TV here. In for today's video is we have this EPSON EcoTank L3210 printer. And in this video I'm gonna show you how to print directly your documents from your smartphone via USB cable connection. And in order to plug the printer's USB cable into your smartphone, you need to have this Type-C OTG dongle adapter to be used for in this setup. And without further ado, let's get started. So the first step that we need to do is open the Google Play Store application of your smartphone. Then tap on search icon and type EPSON iPrint. Then tap Install to download and install the EPSON iPrint application. And when app installation is done, tap Open to open the EPSON iPrint application. Just tap Agree on Terms of Use and tap OK about Usage Survey. And now EPSON iPrint app is ready. Then now let's proceed on the second step. Just search for EPSON Print Enabler. Then tap Install to download and install the EPSON Print Enabler plug-in application. And then when installation is done, just tap Open to open the EPSON plug-in application. Then tap OK on the Terms of Use. And now EPSON Print Enabler plug-in is ready. So the next step that we need to do is to connect the printer directly into the smartphone. So in order to connect directly the printer's USB cable into your smartphone, we have to use a Type-C USB dongle. Then plug it directly into your smartphone. Then tap EPSON iPrint application. Then tap just once or always. Then, as we can see here, our EPSON EcoTank L3210 printer is automatically selected. So now, we have to try printing our documents using this EPSON iPrint application. Then tap Settings, and here you can set the number of copies. Set the printing range. Set the document paper size. Select your media type. Adjust the document layout. And set document print quality. Paper source. And set the document printout color. When you're done on print settings, just tap Done. Then tap Print to start printing the document. Please do not close the progress bar window until it turns into 100%. Then since document is done printing, we may now close the EPSON iPrint application. And that's how simple it is to print your document directly from your smartphone using this EPSON EcoTank L3210 printer. If you found this video helpful to you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.